Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and accessories to see if they really deliver. Today, we're checking out the OVECIOPO 3-pack DC charging cable set. A versatile bundle designed for a range of devices from electric toothbrushes and facial cleansers to rechargeable toys and massagers. If you've ever struggled with slow charging or loose connections, this product might just be the solution you've been looking for. First off, let's talk about what's included. The set comes with 3 different cables, a 2.5mm pin charger, ideal for massagers and beauty devices, a 6mm magnetic USB-DC cable, offering a strong magnetic hold and fast charging, and a single-point magnetic charging cable, designed for smaller gadgets that require a secure connection. Each cable is 2.7 feet long, providing enough length for home, travel, or even car use, while still being compact and easy to carry around. The cables are wrapped in tangle-free, wear-resistant PVC, and the reinforced connectors prevent fraying over time. Compatibility is another strong point here. The USB-A to DC design works with most USB-powered devices, including wall adapters, power banks, laptops, and car chargers. The magnetic connectors are engineered to attach securely, reducing the risk of accidental disconnections while charging. Whether it's a dog trainer, a children's watch, or a beauty device, these cables have a wide range of uses. Durability and performance are key, and OVECIOPO doesn't disappoint. The cables are built with high-purity copper wires and PVC shielding to ensure stable current delivery and overcharge protection. The magnetic DC cable offers a strong connection, while the 2.5mm pin charger provides a reliable plug-in experience. This means you can charge your devices quickly and safely without worrying about damage or inconsistent performance. In terms of design, the lightweight and flexible construction makes them easy to pack and carry anywhere. Whether you're at home, traveling, or on the go, these cables are ready to provide reliable charging whenever you need it. Plus, OVECIOPO backs the product with customer support, promising solutions or replacements if any issues arise, making it a hassle-free option for your charging needs. Overall, the OVECIOPO 3-pack DC charging cable set is a practical, well-built, and versatile solution for anyone dealing with multiple rechargeable devices. With fast charging, strong magnetic connections, and durable materials, it's designed to make life easier and keep your gadgets powered up efficiently. If you're looking for a reliable charging set that covers a variety of devices, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and deep dives into the latest tech and accessories.